This is a Washita Oilstone. As you can see, it is lapped to a DMT level, oil stripped, mostly. Chamfered, sorry. This stone is 7 9/16 of an inch long, 1 13/16 wide, excuse me, and 1 1/16 of an inch deep. The specific gravity is 2.295, and that was calculated via submersion method. Pass the sunlight. Stone passes light to some extent. 7 9/16, 1 13/16, 1 1/16, 2.295. Washita. These are natural in the stone. Thanks.